In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes and go back to an earlier version of posts or pages in WordPress. This is especially helpful if you've made changes to your site that you want to reverse, or if you simply want to revisit a previous version of your content. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button on the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on that. To facilitate a quicker login process, you can choose the option to continue with Google. It's a convenient way to sign in, especially if your WordPress account is connected to your Google account. After you select continue with Google, you'll need to choose which Google account you'd like to use. Just click on the account associated with your WordPress site. This step should swiftly redirect you to your WordPress dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in, look for the quick links panel on the right side of your dashboard. Here you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that to proceed. Editing your site will enable you to access various customization settings and go deeper into your page configurations. With your website loaded up, the exciting part begins. Direct your attention to the top right corner again, where the Styles menu resides. A click on this will reveal a tab that says Revisions. This is a crucial feature for tracking and managing different versions of your pages or posts. Once you've clicked the Revisions tab, you'll have a list of all your save points. These serve as snapshots of your site's past states, enabling you to choose which version you'd like to revert to. Find the save point that you want to restore your site to and simply click on it. After selecting your desired save point, you'll see a button labeled Apply. Clicking this button will restore your site to the version you selected, undoing any changes made after that particular save point. This feature is essential for maintaining flexibility and control over your site's content. And just like that, you have reverted your WordPress page or post back to an earlier version. This process not only offers peace of mind, but also gives you leverage over your site's content management. Remember to always preview the restored version to ensure everything is as you want it. We hope this tutorial was helpful and empowered you with the knowledge to manage your WordPress content more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on mastering WordPress.